Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a limited edition beauty box to show you, and it is Bella Beauty Box in collaboration with Glossybox. This is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like without the sleeve. This box is currently on sale on the Glossybox website. It costs £15 and it has a value of £55. Glossybox have collaborated with Bella magazine in order to create a special edition box for fast-moving, busy women. So all the items in the box are quick fix and multi-purpose products, and inside contains 6 products. So let's open it up and show you what gets inside. That's what it looks like there. And those are the products there. So I'll go through them one by one and I'll show you. Now normally in the special edition boxes they do have a leaflet, so I think that they might have mislaid mine because I can't find it anywhere. There is normally one in there and it goes into detail about the products inside the box, and it also gives you the value as well. But we know this box comes to around £55, so I'll grab an item, show you, and I'll see how much information are on the products. If there's not enough information, then I'll look online and then we'll do it that way. So the first item is a hair product, and this is by Lee Stafford, and this is an air dry or blow dry cream light, and it's to moisturise, soften and smooth for a polished texture whilst giving subtle lift for natural chic hair. And this is 100 ml. So it looks like there. Does it say anything else? It says squeeze the equivalent of a Brazil nut into the palm of your hands, apply to mid-length and ends of towel dried hair and do not rinse. Let hair dry naturally or blow dry in style as usual. And it says here, Lee's hot tips. The secret to great air dried hair is to mould and shape your hair when it's wet, because the greater your hair shape wet, the slicker the finished look you'll get. Actually, my daughter watches like hair tutorials online, and she's got hair down to her bottom. She's really, really long hair, so she likes to naturally let her hair dry, and she started twisting it and clipping it into like a strap of a t-shirt or something like that, so it stays put and it dries like that. So no heat, nothing, but when it's dry, it leaves really, really beautiful waves. Even though my hair's a lot shorter, I will give it a go. I'll see what it's like. I've got very thin hair, so I can't do a lot with it, but except for when I put extensions in. But we'll see. So that's the first product. Next we've got a product by Nip and Fab, and this is their Glycolic Fix Scrub, and this is to exfoliate, and it says here triple action facial polish exfoliant, and we've got 50 ml. And I've tried this a few times and it is amazing. It is really, really good. And it says on the back here, a 3-in-1 micro exfoliant with glycolic and salicylic acid to refine, brighten and renew your skin. 3% glycolic acid gently exfoliates and retextures. Salicylic acid cleanses pores. And then it says gently massage under damp skin, avoiding eye contour area. Rinse through lukewarm water. And it just says to use sunscreen during the day. So anytime you apply any sort of acids to your face, you do need sunscreen to protect it, because your skin can become quite sensitive to the sun. But no, I haven't had this for a long time. It is really good, so I'm happy with that. Now we've got a multi-purpose product, and this is by This Works, and it's In Transit Camera Close-Up. It's a mask, moisturiser and a primer in one, and I've got 20 ml here. I've received this quite a few times over the last couple of years in subscription boxes, and it is nice. It's nice and lightweight. If you're going away for the weekend and you want to downsize your skincare products, you just want to have something quick and easy, then yeah, something like this is really good. It'd be really great if they had an SPF in there as well, but I think that's just I think that's asking a bit much, but yeah. So it's a multi-purpose mask, moisturiser and primer in one. So there's that. Then we got a Ico London, and this is a fat liquid eyeliner in black. So it looks like there. Woo! A big chunky eyeliner. I'll try it on my hand. You can create a very bold liquid eyeliner look by sort of gently pressing on the side of it, or you can create fine lines just by the nib. So there's that. Next we got a dry shampoo, and this is by Batiste, and this is a dry shampoo and defrizz. For hair that's frizzy or fly away with soothing coconut, and we've got 50 ml here. And it just says, is your hair frizzy or fly away? Introducing the Hair Hero. Our breathtaking formula will refresh your hair and smooth out the frizz. What's more, it's invisible and feels super lightweight on your hair. Hair will feel softer and smoother and look amazing. What more could you want from a dry shampoo? So there's that. And lastly we got a product by Pixi by Petra, and it's all bubble wrapped here. Fresh Face Blush in Peach Rose. So it looks like there. So a really pretty colour. I think I've already got this one. It's lovely. That's really nice. That's a really nice shade, isn't it? I'm not sure if I've already got this somewhere in my makeup collection. I'm not too sure, unless I got a mini one. Do they do mini ones or little tiny sample ones? I'm not too sure. So that's the last of the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So in this limited edition box, we have got 6 products. The box costs £15 and they have a value of £55. We've got a blush by Pixi by Petra. We got a glycolic facial scrub by Nip and Fab. We've got an Ico London fat eyeliner in black. We've got a Batiste dry shampoo and defrizz. We've got a This Works 3-in-1 mask, moisturiser and primer. And then we've got a hair, what would you call it? Ear blow dry cream. Okay, it's an ear dry cream for your hair. Woo! Hopefully you can see there properly. They all want to fall out my hands. So this box was kindly gifted to me from Glossybox in order to tell you and show you all on my channel. So thank you to Glossybox for sending it to me. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of a collaboration between Glossybox and Bella magazine? Do you think the box is good value for money? Have you bought it? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.